The Salesian Youth Movement of the St. John Paul II, Shillong Province in India, under the leadership of the Youth Delegate of the province, Father Anthony Kharkongor, organized a basketball tournament for the youth of Shillong to fight the boredom of COVID-19. There were 38 teams comprising from various regions in Shillong, and these teams comprised of past pupils, school students, dropout youths, and the STB themselves who took part in the ongoing tournament. The tournament will conclude on the 17th December 2020.
Right here, the basketball tournament is going on. And this basketball tournament is organized by the SYM Shillong Youth Movement under the banner and the founding of Don Bosco. The objective of organizing this basketball tournament for the youth is mainly to open space for young people to come together, to meet together and to interact with one another. Much more than competition, give them a space where they could exercise and build up their physical fitness. Because after having experienced the 9-month pandemic that we are experiencing now, we feel that the youth are just left with doing nothing. And so to get rid of the boredom, the SYM has taken the initiative of participating in this tournament. I wish to thank the officials, the referees, and all those responsible in organizing the basketball tournament. And I wish to thank also the community of STC and the School of St. Anthony's for giving this space for young people to come together. And through this game, we hope that young people will get rid of so many tension that they are under. Thank you and all the best.